beginning the morning hunt to find dahi and fruit like bananas and mangoes. And look at this. Oh my word. Karimabad and that incredible Baltic fort. This is so exciting. I finally found cherries. Yay!
Cherries are some of the best produce you can get in all around here in the Hunza Valley. We're going to buy a kilo here for 500 rupees. Really excited. They're all different colours, but they taste really sweet and nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Please tell me, how much is a cherry shake?
Cherry shake is for 300 now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Pakistani rupees.
That's
Yes,
brilliant. Lovely, fresh and healthy.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm so excited. It's going to be a cherry party.
This is so wonderful. We've come to the Women's Development Cafe here near the Baltic Fort, which is down below actually. And we're going to try some local Hunza dishes. So excited. We've ordered 3 things. We're going for the Boris Shapik, which is I think chapati with cheese. We're going for molida, which is yogurt with bread. And we're going for hoi lo garma. The first one, Boris Shapik, is going to be 600 rupees and the other 2 are 300 each. Milk tea's 100. But it's just going to be so lovely to finally try local, like Gilgit-Baltistan Hunza dishes.
Yeah, and this is a great place to try it in, I think.
Yeah, definitely. So these are the vegetables for the hoi lo garma. I think it's an organic type of local spinach. Maybe some chili in there and some oil. And potatoes as well. Fantastic. Oh wow, and this is one of the chapatis.
Hello. Now we put it into local chapati.
Ah,
This is called hoi lo garma.
hoi lo garma. Fantastic. Oh wow. Oh my word, so I was not expecting that. It's so cool. And so the chapatis are just being made over here. What is in a chapati? Is it flour, water and salt? Yeah. This is something I actually really want to learn how to do.
Red chilies and green onions, some mince.
And so was it cheese? Yep,
Yeah.
for the cheese chapati. That looks amazing. How much is a cheese chapati?
600 rupees.
600? Looks so good. Oh my word, apricot oil?
Yeah.
Oh, that's incredible. How
We cut
beautiful.
into pieces.
Wow, fantastic. This just looks amazing. I haven't heard of anything like hoi lo garma before. So wonderful, the food's arrived.
Mulida and budu shapik.
Budu shapik. It's so wonderful. Thank you.
So much.
Excellent. So we've got wonderful Hunza, traditional Hunza food here. This is the Budu Shapik, and it's got cheese inside and meat as well. That looks really nice inside. It's kind of like a pizza.
Actually, Leah, no, there was no meat inside that one.
Oh,
And
okay,
so
I
before
thought
you
she
eat
said
it,
there was.
can I take a photo, please?
Photos first. So let's try this delicious Hunza food, shall we? I'll start with the Budu Shapik. Nice. I thought it had meat in it, but no, it's just cheese and some vegetables, but really tasty.
Wonderful.
Molido. This looks like tzatziki. Yeah, and it's got that lovely flavour. Oh, I think there's mint in there.
Yes.
I don't know if there might be some coriander, maybe a little bit of taste of Central Asia, you know.
Wonderful.
Definitely close to what we ate in Central Asia. And then this one, Mandy, what it's called?
This is the hoi lo garma.
Hoi lo garma. It's like pasta, is that?
Well,
and some spinach.
It's actually a chapati put on top of this amazing mixture of spinach and onion and other things.
A lovely subtle flavour. That is really delicious. A little bit of spice in that one.
She asked if I like chili.
Yeah, and but very tasty. I think they complement each other well.
Brilliant. And the fact that these 3 dishes came to 1,200 rupees in total.
Yeah, so $4, not too bad for lunch.
And so it's amazing. I think the molida has actually got almond oil in it.
Oh,
It's
that's almond oil.
Yeah, I think so. This amazing flavour of marzipan. It's delicious. Wow. So I've come back to my favourite dried fruit shop, and this one we've gone,
Rahim, I think, isn't it?
yeah, we've gone for the slightly better version of apricots. 500 grams of these ones for 500 rupees, and as you can see, they're a lot more like orange.
The ones we had before were quite dry, and these
Yeah.
are quite soft, aren't they? They're very good.
Oh, they're delicious.
Yeah.
It's so wonderful.
Yeah.
And the fact that this is a cooperative as well.
Yeah, they've got honey, and they've got apricot kernels, and all sorts of interesting things on offer. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful shop here. Look at all this.
These are actually
Fantastic stuff.
whole dried apricots.
Whole
Apricots
dried-
come from Afghanistan. No?
Afghanistan.
Oh,
Yes.
wow.
Wow, that's awesome. And
What is-
plenty of walnuts as well.
What is this black
It's called
stuff?
salaji.
Salazi.
Salaji is like a back pain. It's for back
For back pain.
Back pain. Ah, I heard about that. The black stuff that you get from.
Black stuff.
Yeah, so it's good for bones.
What is it made from?
Salaji.
It's from mountain.
Yeah, they take it from the mountains.
Oh, that is so cool.
It's not actually called Al Rahim, that's the name of the bank just above. But look for that sign, and you'll find the great cooperative where you get some really good apricots.
So we're wandering around doing some more shopping. Here goes one of the little mini bus things. A little girl.
Hunza is the land of great fruits. Just got a bag of apples here, 1 kilo of apples, about 20 apples for 200 rupees, so that will keep us going for a while.
Brilliant.
Nice gentleman here.
Yeah,
Thank you very much, sir.
thank you.
Shukriya.
He's got other things
Thank
as
you.
well. He's got cucumbers, and there's potatoes and tomatoes, and yeah, so it's wonderful. There's
We're
loads
in paradise, fruit paradise.
So Ali's gone off for a day trip up to the lake and the border with China. I've come back to the Karimabad Inn restaurant with the incredible view, and so excited today. It's got bean curry. Like, I'm trying so hard to eat like vegetarian, vegan if I can, but vegetarian at least. And it's come with a salad and rice. It's 450 on the menu. I'm not too sure if that's how much it'll be or not, because if so, that's incredibly good value. I'm just going to try the beans now. There we go. Lovely. And wow, that's an incredibly rich and delicious sauce. I don't know if it's actually got meat in it or not, because it's got so much flavour. Wow, that's incredible. Oh my word, I wish Lee was here to try it, but I'm sure he's having an amazing time up at the pass. So I have to say that it was absolutely delicious. Wow, the beans were amazing, and I can so recommend the Baltic Cafe. And like, seriously as well, if you want some Korean food, or they've also got Swiss as well, this is a place to come, and it's right by 0 Point.
So we're walking down the street here in Hunza, and we bump into these wonderful gentlemen, all from Quetta, yeah?
Quetta.
Yeah, Baltisan. And they, straight away, we got talking. They've invited us to sit down and eat with them and have a drink with them and talk with them. So friendly and wonderful. So thank you very much, guys. What have we got here on the plates? Do you know, Mandy?
I think this was... Ah,
Shakshuro.
and
Yeah.
what is in that? Do you know?
No, this is the first time I am eating.
But it's tasty.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's,
But it's tasty.
Ah, wonderful.
Also come and enjoy this.
Thank
Excellent.
You.
But-
It's, these are Hunza, traditional Hunza dishes,
Like,
right? Shakshuro?
so behind Lee, you've got Hunza Food Pavilion, and so apparently the food in Quetta is very different because the climate is very different.
Yeah.
But I've heard that the fruit in Quetta is better. Apparently,
Really?
apparently.
You know, if
better-
we are
better food.
living in Quetta, that's why the food is over
Yeah,
there is very
of course.
better. But Quetta or Balochi people, Balochistan, we are meat lovers. We only eat meat. In everything, we need meat.
Yeah.
Really?
So that's why we are you can say that healthy and aggressive and
These are the kindest people ever I've ever met in my life.
And
There's no aggression.
So is belly also.
Fatty people.
Fatty people.
Because
They do very well, yeah.
they are living to eat, but we eat to live.
And they really know how to live. Thank you very much for your
Thank you.
hospitality.
Yeah. Thank you.
Really
It's so lovely
appreciate
to
it.
meet you all. Thank you.
So this chakshuro here contains yak meat, what I call yak meat, but you call
Yak.
yak meat. I've never met or seen a yak before, but it tastes just very, very good. Yeah.
Fantastic. And It's so lovely. I have a green tea because Lee and I had our wonderful lunch up at the Women's Collective. So this is Harbour green tea. It's got turmeric, mint, ajwain, black zira, lemongrass, dad, cheni, gulgul, small h, flour and sont. Like so many different ingredients. Apparently it's incredibly good for the health. So I'm just going to try this.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I like that.
Oh, that is lovely. We've had mountain tea before, but this is
Nice
the nicest
blend
one.
Of, different flavours there.
Yeah, fantastic.
Organic thyme from
Organic thyme?
from Himalayan region.
Wow.
It's a local dried apricot.
Fantastic.
It's a dried lavender.
Oh my word. We hadn't seen the dried lavender. That is beautiful.
Local people used to use it in green tea.
In tea?
Yeah. and
Oh
this
my
one
word, I've
is
never
also
heard-
used in green tea.
The thyme?
Yes.
Yes, I know thyme's
Yeah,
incredibly
yeah.
good. Oh,
It's
that
a very
is so
sweet and
wonderful.
delicious taste. It's also very good for health.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
It's amazing what you learn. I've just discovered this brilliant local trick for like when someone's taking your photo. So what do you say?
Bashir.
Bashir.
Now you can all see how lovely our teeth
So
are.
it's an alternate of cheese.
Yeah, that's,
We use Bashir.
that is so clever. I think that's brilliant. Bashir. So we've come back to the Women's Development Cafe here in Karimabad because I just love the concept, you know what I mean? This is the only place I've seen in Pakistan, or India actually, where females have been doing the cooking and all the work in the cafe. And so Lee's gone for something slightly different this time.
Yeah, we didn't have it here last time, but I've had it in the hotel. It's chapshuro, and it's like a chapati base. It's kind of like a pizza, but with a lid on it. And it's got some mincemeat in there, some capsicum, some garlic. Looks really nice. It smells really good. What else is in there, Mandy?
I'm not too sure. Ginger?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe taste it and
Yeah.
let's
And we've
just see what
got
you think.
leader as well, which we had before, which is really nice.
Yes, it was amazing.
Yeah.
We had cheese with, or yogurty cheese mix with almond oil, apricot oil.
Delicious. Yeah, it is like a pizza. I really like it. Yeah, it's definitely a good Hunza dish.
And so, because we want to try more local dishes, etc., and eat our fill, I've also gone for dal and rice. So the dal and some potato in there, and we went for hoilo garma again, that delicious dish with like chapati and spinach and potato, just because it's really good to get the greens in. So I'll try the dal, see what this is like. It's kind of slightly sweet. And the hoilo garma again, really enjoyed it the other day. Delicious. This is all amazing and such a good value price.
So this ends our wonderful stay here in Karimabad.
Yeah, it was absolutely amazing, even though we both had upset stomachs at different times. But
Yeah, it was a good excuse to stay 9 days because we really enjoy the place anyway. Definitely worth coming.
definitely, Old Hunza Inn has been absolutely brilliant. Like
Yeah.
the view from the rooftop.
Fantastic.
Incredible.
And we are off now just down the road to Minipin because we intend to, well, I intend to trek the Rakaposhi base camp trek. So keep looking out for that.
And we'll see you in the next video. We hope you enjoyed this one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye.